Here we are in the north of the Pembrokeshire Coast National Park. We're on a coastal site just north of Fishguard. We've been working with the landowner here for the best part of 10 years. Much of the land when we started working with him looked like this. It hadn't been managed for several decades, and that was bad news for wildlife and for nature conservation. But through simply reintroducing grazing animals, doing a bit of vegetation control, cutting back the bramble, we've been able to modify this ground to make it a far richer habitat for all sorts of wildlife. We can see flowering plants, we can see butterflies, all sorts of insects that have now recolonised this area because of the work we've done.
We've moved along the coast to near Strumble Head, and we're now standing in what we'd call ideal chough habitat. This is an area of coast that we've been grazing with the farmer for the last 10 years. And this habitat itself has transformed from gorse, which is unsuitable for chough to feed in, to this short seacliff grassland. The really great thing about the ponies grazing this grassland is that they graze it down really short, and that enables the choughs to be able to find the insects in the soil.
People walking the coast path tend to think that what we see around us now is just wild and natural and wonderful. Well, it is pretty wild and it is wonderful, but it ain't natural. This is all managed. Over the last decade or so, we've been working with the landowner just to break this block of gorse up and introduce new species, and we can see lovely heathers and flowers intermingled with the gorse. And that creates a situation which is visually better for people to enjoy, but also is a far richer habitat for the wildlife. Because we've worked successfully with owners of land like this, we have a really rich heritage of landscapes and wildlife within the national park.